My name is Ethan Smith. The course I study is Electrical Installation Level 3. Some of the modules we learn on course is science. So you get more practical about current, the voltage, how electricity flows, and how fault finding diagnostics. Another one is practical, so we actually go into the workshop and build our own rigs. Basically, we have wooden slats on the wall, and we just build our own wirings. And environmental, you learn about all the legislations to do with the electrical, so you're always covered, so you know how to do it. The facilities, we've got 2 classrooms, I believe. We've got the assessment centre, which we're in right now, where we do our end of year exam, which is fault finding diagnostics. And then we've got the practical tent up there, where we spend the majority of our time just doing practical work, building our own rigs and everything else. The tutors, you couldn't ask for any better tutors, to be fair. They're always there to help, even if you're not at college, you send them an email, they'll get back instantly. They're there to help. They know what they're doing. You can tell by the way they teach you that they know what they're talking about. So you couldn't get any better tutors, in my opinion. You've got the best facilities here. You've got the best range of teachers. The campus is good. You've got a good library. It's just flexibility as well. Because I had work before this, they were just flexible around my work, so they just knew how to cope with it, the opportunities.